Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this new video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about Today Willow.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So guys, this is the homepage of this site, and it is an online portal which is based in United States that deals with multiple products including car gadgets, multifunctional tools and Christmas items. And here is the featured collection. You can take a look. The company is offering silicone bath towel, and you can buy 3, you get free shipping, $14.85. So these are the products. You can take a look here that they're also offering harvesting thumb knife and sticky ball darts board set and many other products. Now guys, talking about the payment information, so at the bottom of the web page you can see the modes of payment available on the site are PayPal, Visa, MasterCard and American Express. And talking about the shipping information, let's visit the shipping information of this website. So guys, this time I'm not able to click this option as this link is non-clickable on mobile, as the site is not mobile friendly guys. But yes, according to the information or according to the website details, they have mentioned the standard shipping duration, which is 12 to 20 business days, along with the shipping cost. So you can check out the site on your desktop as well. And talking about other information, let's know about the about us section. But guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos for you. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. Guys, site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a good sign. But talking about the domain information, this site or the domain name was created on 21st of October 2020. So guys, this site is more than 4 months old, and we can't claim the site a legit website because this is less than 6 months old website, and the domain is registered for 1 year only. So this is not an accurate or exact domain age factor that can define its legitimacy. So let's check out the about us information. So you can see here is the about us page. But again, again guys, we are not able to find the about us info on the mobile as the site is not mobile friendly. But yes, when you will check out the about us page on the site, you will see that they have provided improper and fake about us information, which is a negative sign. Now talking about the contact details, so they have provided the suspicious contact details about the site, which is a negative sign. And they have also provided the bulk-in option. You can take a look by visiting a particular product category or particular product. And apart from that, talking about the return policy of the site, let's check out the return policy of the site. So again guys, I'm not able to click the return policy page of this particular site. So you need to visit the site on your desktop again, and you will see that they have provided unrealistic return policy and mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience regarding the return or refund of the product. It will give benefit to other customers. However, they have provided social media icons including Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest and YouTube, but the site has no social media presence at all on a single social media icon or platform, which is a negative sign. And guys, talking about the customer reviews and talking about the site customer review including Today Willow.com reviews, we have found no customer reviews on the internet, but yes, we have found customer reviews on the official website. We have found few customer reviews. but these customer reviews seems to be fake, guys, so you need to explore the entire information at your end, because it's really important to check out a website legitimacy before making any online purchase. So these are the customer reviews that we have found. You can take a look and read for your knowledge. But guys, according to the various loopholes and low trust rating and domain age factor or suspicious contact details, we can conclude by saying that the site seems to be suspicious, guys, and you should stay away from such type of scam or suspicious websites. We do not recommend you to buy anything from this store, as it is looking a fake online store. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thanks for giving your precious time, guys. Have a good day.